Welcome to Learning Strategies class with Mr. Holsenbeck. It's nice to have you along to learn a little bit about our class here, our virtual class tonight. A little something about me. This is my 6th year at Canyon High School. The previous 6 years I was at Sierra Vista. When I am not in the classroom teaching, I'm generally involved in our athletic program in one way or another. I am co-athletic director here at Canyon High School. I do also coach in our football program, spending most of my time with our offensive line, mostly with varsity, but I do work with all 3 levels. So if you've had a son or a daughter that has gone through the football program, we've probably spent some time together. So learning strategies. This is a 12th grade learning strategies class. So some of the things that we hit on in this class include developing and improving organizational skills. Assisting students with academic curriculum is really probably the primary focus, especially by the time we get here to 12th grade. Monitoring classroom activity for missing assignments, test dates, and general concerns. Act as a liaison between the school and parents regarding academic progress. Supervise students' individual education plan. And teach students general learning strategies that can be applied in academic classes. Class assignments. There'll be various assignments given to support the course outline. There will be no academic homework given in this class, and no traditional tests at all. This is not a class where we are trying to make a burden in terms of our academic requirements. This is a class to help support our other academic classes. But we will do activities, but generally students are given at least 40 to 45 minutes to work on assignments from the other classes each class period for traditional study hall time. Grading policy is pretty straightforward. 90 to 100% is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, so on and so forth. All the grades for this class are posted in Infinite Campus. If a student doesn't complete an assignment on time, they can still turn it in. And as long as it's somewhere close to the due date, I still get full points. I tell the students often in class, when I give an assignment, it's generally for a week that I allow them to work on it. And so when I give the assignment on that given day, if they have work they need to do for another class, that becomes the priority. The assignment that we do in the Learning Strategies class, they have 4 or 5 days to get that turned in. So I'm very flexible in terms of making sure we get the work turned in and getting positive points for their efforts. All assignments are posted on the Classwork tab in Google Classroom. The Stream tab is used for more general announcements, and especially as we get towards second semester in this class, we start talking about making sure we are registering for COC classes if that's something we're interested in, making sure we're applying for things like the DOR and all those other agencies that can help us after high school if we are continuing our education. So those will be posted in the Stream tab. So how can you help your child succeed? Number 1, check Infinite Campus on a regular basis, looking especially for missing assignments. This is not just for this class, it's for all of their classes. It's very important. If they say that they've completed it, then follow up with them again in another 24 or 48 hours and find out, if it's still missing, why is it still missing. Making sure to see their notebooks or daily assignment calendar. This is also very important. We encourage students to do this in class. We have paper calendars that they can use here on campus. If they prefer to go to a digital calendar, that's fine. But just something to help organize when their assignments are due, when the tests are, all of those things, very important. Help your child develop good time management skills. Provide a quiet place for them to do their homework. Celebrate their successes, both big and small. It's very important. And then keeping myself and all of the teachers updated if there's any major changes at home that may have an impact on your child's performance or behavior in the classroom. We can help to solve many, many problems, but we have to know what's going on to be able to provide that support. Ultimately, I'm here to help. For a 12th grade learning strategies class, our focus 100% is getting to that high school diploma. I look forward to working with your child this year to help that happen, and look forward to seeing them walk down the aisle and receive that diploma at the end of the school year. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. The best way to do that is through my email address, and I look forward to having a great year. Thank you.